Miss Stewart here. Today I'm going to show you how to write the beginning of a script based on the Grimm Brothers story, The Golden Brothers. So remember, when you're writing a script, the first thing you do is start with setting the scene. Setting the scene tells you where the characters are and what they're doing, and should only be 1 or 2 sentences long. Don't make it too long. And it's written in the present tense. So at the beginning of the story today, we have a fisherman and he's basically sitting fishing, isn't he? So I'm going to have a poor man is sitting fishing when to his astonishment he pulls out a fish made of pure gold. So I'm going to read back through, check I'm happy with it. If I am, I'm going to continue. So a poor man is sitting fishing when to his astonishment he pulls out a fish made of pure gold. Yes, I'm happy with that because it tells me what the character is doing and it's written in the right tense. It's written in the present tense, is pulls. Then you have the name of the first person who is speaking in the margin followed by a colon. In this case, it is the fish who speaks first. Then I'm going to have a colon and the fish is going to say, please, I beg of you to spare my life. Throw me back into the sea and I will grant you riches. So I've got a poor man is sitting fishing when to his astonishment he pulls out a fish made of pure gold. Then I've got my name of the character in the margin, which in this case is fish. Then after the fish I've got colon. Then the fish says, please, I beg of you to spare my life. Throw me back into the sea and I will grant you riches. Then on the next line down, you have the person who is speaking next. So I've got the man followed by a colon. Please remember, after the colon, you still use a capital letter. So what use are riches if we have empty stomachs? Okay, and then I'm going to have stage directions, which shows what the man is doing. I'm going to have him, what can the man be doing? Moving closer to the fish, and then I close my brackets to make sure all your punctuation is inside the brackets. Then the next person who's going to speak is going to be the fish. And again, I'm going to have a stage direction in brackets. Again, your stage directions are in the present tense. Gasping for air. I will provide you with as much food as you and your wife require. Okay, I'm going to read back through what I've got, check I'm happy with it, then I'll continue. I'm going to look back at the story to help me, and I'm also going to look at the language the characters use and change it into my own words but keep the story the same. So I've got a poor man is sitting fishing when to his astonishment he pulls out a fish made of pure gold. Fish, please, I beg of you to spare my life. Throw me back into the sea and I will grant you riches. Man, what use are riches if we have empty stomachs? Moving closer to the fish. Fish, gasping for air. I will provide you with as much food as you and your wife require. If you please, let me go. Okay, and that's where I'm going to leave it today. Have a go. Use the checklist as well to help you. Send me your work. Good luck. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye.